Welcome to Access Hollywood from Universal Studios Hollywood. I'm Mario Lopez, and in a shocking turn yesterday, the new Los Angeles District Attorney Nathan Hochman said he will withdraw his predecessor's recommendation for reducing the sentences of the Menendez brothers, who have now spent over 30 years in prison for the killing of their parents back in 1989. Now, as their attorney blasts this latest development, we're going to break down exactly what this means for Lyle and Eric.
I don't remember the shot, but I remember the picture.
Our position is that they shouldn't get out of jail.
The Los Angeles DA's office decision is a huge blow to Eric and Lyle's bid for freedom, according to trial attorney Misty Maris.
Before, the DA was going to come into that hearing and not oppose what the defense was saying. Ultimately, a judge makes a decision, but it's a very different situation for a defendant to be arguing against the prosecutors versus walking in and having the prosecutor say, you know what, Judge? We agree with the defense recommendation.
District Attorney Nathan Hochman does not support resentencing for the brothers who claim they killed their parents after a lifetime of abuse because he says they failed to take, quote, complete responsibility for the lies they told about the murder. Hochman explained to NBC News he would reconsider his decision if the brothers admit to perjury.
If they go ahead and sincerely lay out that they have now lied on their entire defense, and finally admit that they killed their parents in cold blood, then that will be a new insight that the court should then consider.
Listen to me, Savannah.
Eric and Lyle's attorney, Mark Garagos, got heated while discussing the case this morning with today's Savannah Guthrie.
This DA re-traumatizes the family repeatedly.
He lists 16 different lies that the brothers have yet to acknowledge, and says if they would sincerely acknowledge these lies, he would reconsider. Would you take him up on that?
He's showboating.
If he's showboating, why not call their bluff?
On every, Savannah, just hold on for a second. Every single one of those things that he mentioned was either abandoned or was cross-examined on in the first trial.
Family members, including their cousin Anna Maria Baralt, believe Eric and Lyle have atoned for their actions.
The district attorney is still clinging to the 1990s narrative that this was like the abuse excuse. The Menendez family members who are living support their petition for release. That is huge for the defense.
Aside from still having a shot at resentencing, the brothers have two other paths to freedom: a habeas corpus petition, which is based on new evidence, as well as clemency, which is completely up to California Governor Gavin Newsom.
He has unilateral constitutional power to commute the Menendez's sentences if he chooses, and release them today.
The Menendez brothers' pursuit for freedom has always been a long shot. Really, their best path is potentially clemency or pardon. And Gavin Newsom has not shown his cards on which way he's going to go.
Yes, the resentencing hearing is currently still scheduled for March 20th and 21st.